In this video, we're going to talk about the new NATO lock and Magic Arm system. The building block for this system starts with the NATO lock, which features a small NATO rail with safety pins on each end. This rail can attach to a 1/4 20 or 3/8 mounting point, but it also has a threaded hole for 1/4 20 and 3/8. Next is the NATO lock clamp, which attaches to the NATO lock rail. This features a 1/4 20 and 3/8 mounting point as well, but we can also bolt through this into an LCD using 1/4 20 or 3/8 or any other accessory that might have that. To install, we'll take our rail and we can choose between the 1/4 20 and 3/8. We'll choose the 1/4 20 this time. Drop it into the hole and then take the flathead screwdriver and screw it into place. Once that's tight, we have the option to install our set screw, which prevents the rail from twisting. So we'll just drop that into the hole and thread that into place. Now we're ready to install the clamp. Push the safety pin down, slide over, and then turn the thumb screw to lock it in place. This is the NATO Lock Mini Ball Head Kit, which is great for positioning an LCD on your camera. It includes the rail like we saw before, and the mini ball head. To install, push the safety pin down, slide over, and lock the thumb screw. To maneuver your LCD, unlock the front thumb screw and turn in position as needed. Then turn the thumb screw to lock it in place. This is our NATO Lock Magic Arm, which is an adjustable friction arm that features a NATO lock on each end. We have a 7-inch version as well as an 11-inch version. To install, unlock the center thumb screw and position the arm. Push the safety pin down and slide into place. Then we can adjust to position our LCD and lock the thumb screw. Next, we'll take our NATO lock and we'll slide it into place. This is our WC Magic Arm, which is a more traditional Magic Arm without the quick release features. It threads into your camera body and has a threaded post for attaching your LCD. It comes in a 7-inch version as well as an 11-inch version. This is the NATO Lock GoPro kit, which includes the rail that we've used before and a custom attachment for the GoPro. You'll need either the frame that came with the camera or the underwater housing. To install, align the slots, push into place, and insert the screw. Then tighten it down. To install, take the assembly, push the safety pin down, and slide over. Then lock the thumb screw. You can tilt and adjust the GoPro as needed. Our NATO lock system is based on a NATO standard rail, and since we use the same rail on many of our accessories, we can quickly move from one point to another. We can unlock this thumb screw, and then quickly switch to the operator's side. This is our safety arm, which is a NATO standard rail. Or we can go from here to the side of our mat box. As you can see, this gives you a lot of options for where you want to attach your accessories. Another configuration option is using the NATO rail that's on our NATO Handle Plus. Here we have the Magic Arm attached directly to the same NATO rail that our handle is. We can also unlock these items and replace it with the mini ball head. We can slide this on and position our monitor directly on top of our camera. Another great use of the NATO lock is attaching the Cinetape to our mat box. We have a NATO standard rail on top of the mat box, and you can adjust the Cinetape left and right. We also have a GoPro attached to our Magic Arm, which you can attach then to the NATO rail on the mat box. These products are all available in our store now.